Tuning fork is used to produce a resonance in a glass tube. Tuning fork, everyone knows, is some kind of fork which oscillates when you just touch by yourself. They start motioning. So the length of the ear column is also given. Length of ear column. Let us be L1 we take, and there is one more is telling you the variable in the tube can adjust it by a variable distance. The room temperature is 27 degrees. Okay, two successive resonance are used, that is 20 and 73. We have to understand, we have to know these values, so that's why we can answer the question. If the frequency of the tuning fork is 320, what is the velocity? If we have to find out the velocity of, as you know, the tuning fork is L1, and we take one more, which is length of L2. So there you all get the answer, which is velocity is 2 into v into L2 minus m. He's just getting by in a short term, not try to make the question more lengthy. So he's first finding L2 minus L, as I have told you, this is L1 and this is L2, and the substitute value, which is 73 minus 20. This is the L1 and this is the L2. So 73 minus 20, he's going to get whatever the answer is. Just try to multiply with 320 and into 2 because of the length. Length is 2, so that's why. 10 for the SI unit, so it's changed into meter per second. It's come out to be in the centimeters. For changing using 10 into minus 2, it comes out to be 3392, which comes out in the meter per second. So answer comes out to be 4.